Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. I think I officially have most of my voice back, so thanks for sticking with me the last few days. This is just a short little video. I wanted to show you an important feature under the eBay Seller Hub. If you have an eBay store and you're using Seller Hub, as you see here, and we come up here to the tab that says Performance, you'll see it says Summary, Seller Level, Sales, Selling Cost, Traffic, and Impressions. We're going to click on this one that says Selling Cost, and I've already got it open over here on the next tab, and this is going to show us your net selling cost and the percent of your total sales. And so why is this so important, and what does this mean? Well, if we scroll down just a little bit, we can see it shows our subscription cost, which is our store cost, our shipping label cost, our PayPal fees, our final value fees, listing fees, and then any credits or discounts that we have been given. And so this is essentially a breakdown of every single fee that you have paid for every single day. As you scroll through, you can see exactly how much you've paid every day. And this is giving you a total percentage of all your sales. So the only thing this does not include is your cost of goods. So you can change this date to 1 day or 30 days or 60 days or whatever you want to change it to. But if you wanted to see your overall, you could do like, it's allowed up to 90 days as normal with eBay's, anything that you look at on eBay, you can go back 90 days. But let's just say you did a 30-day. My overall percentage is 44.1%. That means on every dollar that I sell, I'm getting to keep 56%. So my cost of doing business on eBay is 44%, meaning 56. So if I did $10,000 a month, I'm making $5,600 in profit. Now this does not include my cost of goods. So what you need to do is you would have to go through and calculate your cost of goods. Well, I know my cost of goods hovers between somewhere around 10 to 12%. So let's just go with like an 11%, which would put me up to a total of 55% cost. So that's 44 plus my 11% cost of goods is 55%, meaning my out the door profit net in pocket is 45% of every dollar. So if I did $10,000 in a month, I'm doing $4,500 in profit. And that's actually a little lower than I'd like. I'd like to have it at least 50%. And that's what I tell everybody, and that's what I pretty much assume everyone's working off of, is right at about 50%. Now, I'm sure mine moves up and down. If I check the scale on certain months, it would probably go up to 46, 47, probably go down to 42. But long story short, I'm operating at a 45%. I'm operating at a 56% clean and clear profit after eBay, and then about a 45 to 46% after factoring in my cost of goods. Now, of course, that is your business's net profit. You have other expenses. You might have internet or cable or cell phone or cost of envelopes or supplies and all that. So overall, my business probably closer to about 40% in pocket. So every $1,000 in sales I do, I make $400 profit. You can look at this feature yourself, figure out the numbers for yourself, and have a pretty good idea of what it's costing you to run your business, what it's costing you to sell on eBay, and how much profit you're clearing in your pocket. So I thought you guys would enjoy that. I thought you'd like taking a look at it, and I'm pretty sure most of you, a good majority of you, probably have not taken a look at this. I'm sure some of you have, but if you haven't, it's something good to take a look at. It's right up there at the top. It's underneath of the Performance tab and then Selling Costs, and it will bring you over to here, and you can adjust your dates. You can scroll through and see each individual item, and it's just a pretty cool feature. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, if it helps you out, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you again next time.